Welcome back to Reviews. Today somebody asked me to do a demo, a spot on their boat, just a test spot. And I thought, on your boat, maybe it wouldn't be a great idea. And they were like, well, I don't think you can make my boat shine. And I'm like, all right.
Well, yeah, I want other people with old ass boats to realize you can fix them, even with old decals and blah blah blah. So let's give this a shot and embarrass ourselves. All right, let's try some heavy cut and see if we can dial this in even further. I'll set you down here so you can look up a little bit. Makes me feel like a big man, or at least a little bit taller. I'll take the bad dog. All right, I'm not going to wipe this off. This is just a test spot to make sure that we can actually get into this.
So Mari, thank you.
Use the heavy cut.
You know your order? Yeah. This one outside, full boat, but fast on the outside. No polish. Yes. No polish. Just fast. Then.
Well, I didn't show you all that much on this boat. I am still working on the other side, but there's, if you want, all I've got left is the swim step. He's got some nasty lake residue in there. I've got this side all waxed up, compounded with Perfected, and a foam pad again on the black just to make sure that it's all dialed in. But because I'm not giving you a full walkthrough about how to do a boat, I thought maybe I would introduce you and some of my viewers that don't consume beer, one of our local ciders. So this is Endless Orchard. They've got a bunch of flavors. They've got like Golden Delicious and Fuji, and they mix apple with mango, and they have some stuff with basil and a whole bunch of weird flavors that I'm not cool with. But I do like the Granny Smith. It's like a 7% alcohol. Really clear, as you can see. Not highly carbonated. It's not terrible. Let me check the smell here. Okay. Smells like a little bit of alcoholic apple is what it smells like. So let's give this a shot. Huh. It reminds me of wine coolers from back in my high school days. I mean my college days. It's not bad. It's got a good aftertaste of apple. I would probably play with this a little bit. Maybe sipping it would be more appropriate than just chugging it. But out of this glass, I mean, it's memory, muscle memory. Anyway, so there you go, guys. I appreciate your time. Let's see if I can get the sun. It's way up there. I'm so sorry. It looks really good, though, I think.
I think you can read the label.
Anyway, I'll have a bigger boat. Actually, I'm going back to that chaparral tomorrow. So if you're interested, stick around. That thing's going to get touched like it's never been touched before. All right, I'm not going to clean out the pad. I'm just going to kind of refluff it up. I'm going to put some Perfected EXAC on, and we're going to see what happens. All right, so maybe this will inspire somebody to get a boat wax. What do you think?
Again, this is just a test spot to show somebody that it was possible. Now, this boat is nasty. The gel coat actually has cracks in it throughout. So if that can come back, so can your boat.